Alrighty, today we have some little or no experience needed work from home jobs that pay up to $28 per hour. If you have a background in retail, we have an easy customer service job that pays well and offers a $1,000 monthly bonus. We have a remote job answering requests for release of information where you just need to be comfortable using a computer. We have a no experience work from home job that will give you equipment and train you to help process claims. And we have a remote job in accounting where you really don't need to know much about accounting, and it looks like they're hiring in California. So let's start off with the easy customer service job. It comes to us from Quinn's. So they're looking for a customer experience category specialist. This job is full-time remote. You can do it anywhere within the United States. I did not see any location restrictions anywhere on this job description. So you'll mainly be responsible for owning escalated and complex cases. You'll recognize patterns and escalate with evidence. You'll become a trusted category and subject matter expert for your assigned product category, serving as a go-to resource for team members, escalations, and complex customer scenarios. You'll own escalated and complex customer cases with intention, handling high-impact, sensitive, or retention risk issues, and identify and escalate trends and patterns by monitoring recurring customer feedback, product issues, and friction points. So yeah, it sounds like you're going to be the one to take on the bigger problems and help retain customers. They're looking for someone who's a great communicator. You have a solid understanding of customer lifecycle. You also have an ownership mindset and you're comfortable with ambiguity. They'd like you to have prior cross-functional collaboration experience. You can identify recurring issues. You're comfortable with technology. And they'd like you to have a background in direct-to-consumer, retail, e-commerce, or luxury goods environments. And they list some preferred qualifications. They're just preferred. They're not required. I recommend reading through them. If you meet any of them, make sure to include them on your resume. And we can see on this job description, they tell us they'll pay you $26 per hour, plus give you a $1,000 monthly performance bonus. So here's a no experience needed work from home job with DataVant. This job is full-time remote anywhere within the United States, no location restrictions. And your main responsibility in this job will be to handle the release of information account issues with internal and external customers while maintaining a high level of professionalism. So when someone calls asking for specific information, it's your responsibility to, first of all, make sure they are legitimate, and second of all, provide them with the information they are requesting. So you'll take phone calls related to release of information requests, review, research, resolve, and respond to those inquiries, and document all those inquiries appropriately. And for this job, all they want from you is a high school diploma or equivalent. You have a friendly, professional manner of communication, good customer service skills. You're comfortable using phones as well as computers. And they tell us it would be beneficial, not required. It would be helpful if you have some experience in data entry, medical records, healthcare, insurance claims processing, and proofreading, editing of documents. You need to be able to pass an annual introductory HIPAA examination and pass a 90-day ROI certification course with a score of 85% or higher. And I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the job description because down here they tell us they'll pay you anywhere from $15 up to $18.32 per hour. If you want to start a career in claims processing, here's a great opportunity for you. They'll train you and give you all the equipment you need. So the company Revicor is looking for an auto claims specialist to work full-time remotely in one of the states you see on your screen right now. It looks like you can live in one of these 32 states within the U.S. to be eligible to work remotely for this position. So fingers crossed, hopefully you live in one of the states you see on your screen right now. So what you're going to do in this job is investigate and research details of an auto accident to determine who the payer will be, and you'll do that by making outbound calls to patients, insurance company representatives, and attorneys. You'll submit bills and proper documentation to the insurance company, ensuring maximized payment to the client, and those clients are medical providers. And if bills are not paid correctly, you'll determine follow-up steps and resubmit bills for additional payment. You'll also contribute to the team with various denial reports, audits, and overall support. So you'd be a great fit for this job if you have a working knowledge of Microsoft Office applications, you're tech savvy, you can maintain strong performance in a fast-paced, high outbound call center environment, you're organized, you can multitask, you're a critical thinker, you're a good communicator, and it's a plus, but it's not required. It's a plus you have experience with coordination of benefits and you have a general understanding of insurance billing. So this job will train you. Up here, they tell us they offer paid training and incentive plans, and they'll also give you a computer and necessary work equipment. And when it comes to the salary, going back up a little bit, they tell us they'll pay you $15 per hour. So here's a great work-from-home accounting job that really does not require accounting experience. So the company Green Slate has an opening for an accounting success specialist. However, you do need to be located in the Pacific time zone to be considered for this position. So that tells me they are hiring in the state of California. So in this job, you'll be the primary point of contact for clients using the company's production, accounting, and payroll software. You'll assist by answering questions via phone, email, and chat, resolving issues, and ensuring every user has the knowledge and tools needed to succeed. You'll work closely with internal teams to escalate bugs, contribute to QA testing, and help shape a consistently positive client experience. They tell us your accounting expertise and service mindset will directly strengthen the relationship and set the company apart in the entertainment industry. So that pretty much sums up what you're going to do on a regular basis. They have more details. If interested in this job, read through the details. So they're looking for someone who's able to deal with high volumes and work under pressure. You have a desire to find the solution, not just finish the task. You really like doing customer service, and you have some experience supporting accounting or other business supporting software. You're comfortable using computers and related equipment, and it's a plus, but it's not required. It's a plus you have knowledge of the basics of production accounting. So you see, they're really not requiring accounting experience. And as far as the salary, they tell us they'll pay you anywhere from $50,000 to $60,000 per year. So that's all I have for you in this video. Some really good beginner-friendly, little or no experience needed work-from-home jobs. Hopefully one of them works out for you. And if you're looking for more, you can find some in this video right here. Thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.